This case, you will start it with the maxillary jaw first. So this is a replica of the patient dual scan appliance, the existing denture. So you see it on the base guide complex. This is the complex of the index and the base guide. And then you go on and see it on the maxilla. And then you have the patient bite using his previous existing denture. And once this is accomplished, all you have to do is remove this after you pinned it, remove the bone, and then you start placing your implants with the implant placement guide. You place all the 6 implants and you watch the timing on the implant placement guide. And then if you want to tweak the implant placement, you still have the same timing marks on the base guide. These marks will dictate where the screw of the angled multi-unit will go. So all you have to do is screw it in this manner, screw it in this manner, screw it in this manner, and screw it in this manner, okay? If I show you the guide, so as you can see, these are the angled multi-units. You see where it dictates the screw for the multi-unit that will tie it to the implant, okay? And once you're completed with this, all you gotta do is you have 2 copies of maxillary prosthetics, and you have 2 copies of carriers just in case something breaks on you. All you have to do is just go seat the carrier in its position. So all you have to do is seat the carrier in its position, and voila, it is really secured. And all you gotta do is just start placing it, make sure all the temporary cylinders are clear. And once all temporary cylinders are clear, you can convert the case using the buccal holes. And once you're done with that, we will go to the lower jaw. The lower jaw, the first thing, you reflect a full thickness flap, and you have the base guide index, the base guide and the index. The index has bone legs and occlusal indentation marks that will only index to the conversion prosthesis, okay? So all you gotta do is get the complex, go seat it on the mandible using the bone legs. Make sure you really reflect a full thickness flap. And then since you converted the upper and it is in the patient's mouth, all you gotta do is have the patient bite. And now you pin the lower guide, make sure all the bone legs are seated, then just remove it, remove the index, reduce the bone according to the base guide, and voila. All you gotta do is now place your implants in position. And then once you place your implants, then you gotta get the lower carrier and you get the lower prosthesis. You have 2 copies of each, the carrier and the prosthesis, and they both have buccal conversion holes. And voila, all you gotta do now is just go seat it on the base guide, the temporary cylinders, etc., and make sure you have clearance, have the patient bite, and voila, you convert the case. I hope this is all clear to you, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.